can reach something.
But you don't know. I know what you like. So I go, can you something like this too?
Oh, can you wear something like that?
Oh, you can! Oh, ano ka ba? May mga events. At saka ano? Ano ka ba? Nag-judge na ba? Madam. Yung beauty queen.
Kasi wala na akong ganyan.
Pero guys, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin na magbayad.
Yung umaga na yun, yung gabi na niya, pero sa
You know what? I'm gonna give a lot of this to you. I have like 8 of that. If I guys, share kayo. Pag muna yung una. Okay. Okay. Pag ako yung umalis, so I will buy clothes from you guys.
What do you mean? How does that work? Like you're
You're gonna like get all the things that you don't use. Like there's little yeah, you're gonna sell it to me.
To you?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Gumangon din, kaya nga
Support
nagisita
each other, guys.
Oo, yung nakalakas dito. Pawis ako, pasok mo pa rin na lang yan. Kalok nyo.
Kasi di ba yun?
Wait, talaga lang.
I know. Alam mo, feeling ko.
None.
Dami na kasi nakaabang talaga siya.
Ito. Ay, akin pa na yan. None daw. Inorder ka ng lumabas.
May hilo daw siya.
Ito. Ayan lang. My ear feels so hot. That's also what
I realized na parang super hirap, di ba?
Wala, may nangyayari na. Pero ang kala ko lang, ang cute ng tong set.
Pag nagpantal ako, ayan.
This is something
Alam
you
mo,
really don't know what's
Sabi ko, ano kayo nangyayari? Pero sobrang cute ng ganito.
And it's
I don't know.
Hindi din na kami ganito eh. Walang ganito sa akin.
yeah. Kaya sabi ko, there's a relief na dalawa.
Walang ganito.
Kasi parang you have someone also that you can oh, there's one more. But guys, ngayon, ay naku, excited ako to watch your shows. Kasi gusto naman talaga in real life, guys. Ako yung mga susuporta sa
Josie na lang po.
Grabe, alay ha.
Hindi, I mean like, no, kapag winner.
Ilang volleyball. Dude! Hello,
But you know, I mean, you're a host, you act, and then you also sing. I'm an athlete, diba? I'm gonna be like watching you guys also. You can watch my games too, guys.
Dude, I really enjoyed that volleyball game, ha? I saw
Libre ticket daw. Oo naman. Guys, ako bahala.
Respect, responsible.
Ano yan? At saka magpapano tayo, mag-run tayo ng place para makalaro tayo. Yung enjoy, yung volleyball talaga. For sure, I bet yung sa boss ko sa Cream Line ako, kaya ano pa tayo. Lasing na yan. Support niya tayo.
Kung gabi kung gano'n ako mag-ringin sa'yo, times 2 ko ngayon dahil lasing ako.
Sino?
Tawa ko na siya.
Tubig ba to?
And from the, because of the past 3 days, I realized that you're a emo. Like, it's true. That's parang gusto ko sabihin sila. We really want to celebrate, but we want you to feel. I'm like, gusto ko sabihin. Sabi ko, hala ko sasabihin niya ni Karen. Naiisip ko din kasi. Oo naman. Everything naman. That flip side.
Okay kita na pala.
Which is very true. But I just want to put, you're so, pero imagine mo kasi, 3 months ka na dito, 3 months ka na dito.
Pero